Welcome to Bowens Playhouse. I'm super fast now.
Bowen powered. Uh-oh, we have a derail.
Hey, if it derails, then to pop back up here. Look.
Oh,
Oh. Sorry, my honey. To do that.
no, not the school bus.
No, that train!
Oh no.
You catch the school bus.
He's trying to push him onto the road, onto the crossing.
Yeah. Last carriage is gonna be a tank. No, don't just go like that. Look,
Oh, cool.
you're just resting. I forgot.
Resting. What's that called?
Ooh, ooh,
That's a bullet train.
Bye. I told you it fixed that.
Oh, wow. You did.
That's where it comes from the garlic flavor. He got some loads to deliver. That bus is still pushing that. It has one lot. Ooh, a daisy. It has one little car. It only has one car.
Does this make a noise?
Gotta take this carriage off. Put it in. Now has a tanker. Hey, was that carriage on this train before? Did I put it on?
I'm not sure.
I did. Remember
Yep.
that thing? And then we got a tanker. Boom. Look how many. He only has 2 carriages, Mama. Yeah, how many carriages he got?
You count.
1, 2.
Yeah.
And the car carriage. There's a tanker on her back, see?
Yep.
And that empty carriage. See that empty carriage?
Looks empty.
It is empty. The other train cricket, cricket, cricket.
You're still trying to push the bus onto the crossing? What are we going to do?
That's there.
What happens if you open it?
No, because that's clicking his ear.
But what happens if it's open? Open it and see what happens. See if the train can push him across. Wow.
Yeah, weird. Motor's getting all crooked up.
Oh. Look at this big tunnel. Wow, what happens on this tunnel?
It's a big mountain tunnel. There's a big crane on top. Do you see the
I
crane?
do.
And the never was supposed to go there.
Yeah.
See right
Just pick up the load for me. Oh, wow.
Never lies for there. Look right there.
Okay.
See? And I'm like that. 2 lights.
That looks like a scary tunnel inside.
Bring it up, bring it up, bring it up. Is it bringing up?
It's going up, yep.
Ding. Where's all the rest of this? In here, I think.
Yep.
In here, in this wood.
Yep.
Look at that. There's 2 holes for 2 of them. I see no more holes. No, there's none. There's one there.
Looks like a train goes through it.
I'll show you. This one makes a noise too.
Does it? That's a good sound.
Yeah, I know.
Lots of sounds.
That's the same sound. Look at that bus is shaking. Look at it, it's shaking. It's shaking. Up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. One looks like a different colour.
It's the lights, I think.
It doesn't, look.
Yeah.
Wow.
What's going to happen to the school bus?
Nothing, I think.
All right.
Look, 2 lights there. Look, one there and one down there. I got that all station. This track is getting closer to this garbage truck.
Oh, let's move him out of the way.
He's blowing his whistle again. You can have a peekaboo. Just stop so he can have a peekaboo.
Okay.
Even him.
Oh, good.
So cute animal. This is the end of it. End of it. And
Oh, showing your hand. It's a cute hand. Oh, and your tongue. Wow. Okay.
that thing turned pretty long. Now little carriages. The green one's at the end. And back. Go all the way to the front. Oh, that's huge! Look at it.
Should we show your viewers your garbage truck?
Subscribe to our channel. Yes, and press that button.